Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you see me for the first time, my name is Ruth. Welcome and welcome. I'm starting this new week. I've been going through a lot of health issues. I can't explain, but it's crazy. So my blood sugar is very high, higher like times 3 of the normal 6 to 9 stuff. So I told my girl to this is bitter leaf, and believe me, I can't tell you. I'm supposed to drink this on an empty stomach, and I want to drink this. If I don't drink it, my sister-in-law is going to kill me.
It's bitter.
Don't worry, not
Can we
busy.
test?
Want to test? No, you put it and test. So I got this stockfish 4-5, I mean 4-8, yeah, 4-8. As far as price 4,000. Sorry, periwinkle 900. These 3 cups. Water leaf 500. Vegetable 500. 100 naira. This is beef. I think 60. Plantain 4 stick 1,000. 6K 900. What's this? Goat meat 10,000. Offer 500. 3-5. I think it should be 100 naira to 200. What else? That's finished. Uzuza 500. 2,200. 200. 2,000. What's this? Simply 100 naira. Yeah. Tomatoes 9.5. So I'm paying you. Sorry. What the hot water? Is it going to be gone? It's okay.
Let's have this to go in the shop.
Put this one here. Then I got another rubber. Put the fish. Just put them in rubber so that you see what you're doing. For that one, I don't know what is inside there. Goat meat. For this one, another one. What's in this pepper?
Yes.
Leave it if don't touch it first. I bought fish. I was gonna do pepper soup. I don't scatter. This is crazy. This one you put it inside waterproof. Just let's keep this one here first. Turn the fish. When I was telling that woman that this thing is plenty yoko inside. My catfish. Yeah, that is 4K. Oh my god, see, you're pouring blood everywhere. It's going to smell. Oh. What else again? Where is the coconut? Crayfish. Bring that our crayfish container. Let's pour it. Put it down so it doesn't fall. Don't touch that thing there. There's blood stain there. remaining crayfish. Crayfish 2,000. The one they're putting. Yeah, cover. Cover it too. It's okay. Come and turn this one. What do you want to do? Turn this. What do you want to use that one and do?
I want to put it inside.
For what? Pour it like this. Push your hand, go back slow. Oh yeah. Hey, we don't go cut scent leaf. I mean, curry. Stir it. Tap, 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 tap. We just did it put. Hey, Maggie, that's what you want. Come on, put. See, Maggie, dear. Salt crayfish. Crayfish. Oil. Come close. Palm oil.